So this is the code. This is just a simple code for a simple restaurant ordering system. So here in the beginning we have a menu which is storing all the items and which is displayed with the costs in the beginning. You can see here. We have displayed it with the cost. And from here we have the welcoming, the greeting of the customer, taking the first order. So here we are taking the first order. The user is asking to enter the name of the food items they want. Yes, here. And hence we have given here that if that item is not there in the menu, then it will be showing that the item is unavailable. So continuing with other orders, and here we can see that this code is asking the customer whether it wants more any other orders or not. If it is yes, then you can start giving other items. If it is no, it gives you the total amount. So I have mentioned four items, and at the last, I'm giving the total cost. So let's run the program. So I'm going to put papad as my first order. It is asking me whether I want anything else or not. So I'm going with yes. Next one would be French fries. So you can give your next order or you can click on enter again. It is asking me, do you want anything else? I'll go with no. So it gives me the total cost of the price. So the papad was 40 and French fries was 60. So this is how the code runs.